In other news, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a phrase you might have heard often in English conversations and news. In other news. It's a common expression used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase. In other news, is a transitional phrase often used to shift the focus from one topic to another. It's commonly heard in news broadcasts when the presenter moves from one news item to another unrelated item. But it's not just limited to news. People use it in daily conversations to change the subject or introduce a different topic. This phrase helps to smoothly navigate between different topics without abruptness. To better understand how "in other news" is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In a news broadcast, the City Council announced a new public park today. In other news, a local high school has won a national science competition. 2. In conversation, I heard you got a new job. Congratulations. In other news, have you seen the latest movie release? These examples show how the phrase acts as a bridge between distinct topics, making the transition feel natural. While "in other news" is the standard form, there are variations. Phrases like "in other matters" or "on a different note" serve a similar purpose. They are all used to segue into different topics, providing a smooth transition in conversation or presentations. 1. Use sparingly. While it's a useful phrase, overuse can make your conversation or presentation seem disjointed. 2. Ensure topic shift. This phrase is best used when you're actually shifting to a completely different topic. 3. Practice in conversations. Try using "in other news" in your daily conversations to get comfortable with its usage. Understanding and using phrases like "in other news" can really polish your English communication skills. It's a handy tool for smoothly transitioning between topics, especially in more formal or structured settings like news broadcasts or presentations. I hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the nuances of the English language.